For a little light, this has a lot of power. This is a really great work light. It's super compact, very portable. You can just put it in your pocket if you need to, or your glove box around your house just to keep. I like that it's got the black and the yellow. We do have a little handle right here. It's going to go ahead and you can turn that 180 degrees. On the back side here, we do actually have some magnets. So if you're working underneath the car, you could go ahead and slap this on the metal and it's going to stay right there. Also, we have some threads, so you can go ahead and put that on a tripod if you need to. And it's got a little clip here. You can attach this to a tent or a backpack, and then the controls right here on the back. Super easy to use. Just have two of these. We've got our power button, 3 brightness levels, and also 3 colors. And if that wasn't enough, you can also have this have an emergency light as the red. So we've got our power button here. What we're going to do is just going to hold it down for a second. It's going to turn red. You press it again. That's a solid red. And now we're going to have a blinking red. Also, you'll notice here we also have 4 LEDs to just let you know what the battery power is. And on the top, that's where we're going to go ahead and charge it. And you can use the provided power cord to do that. I love that it's super compact. It's got a ton of features, easy to use, and I hope you found this review helpful.